Hey guys, how's it going? Look at this thing. Are you kidding? Just crazy. Look at that. The Mobile Pepper Spray Defense System by Mace. Man. Now just imagine a mob going after your car like in 2020. Or imagine a bear attacking your car when you're trying to go out camping. So, yeah, I came across that in the middle of getting ready for our next Pepper Spray Saturday here. Well, I hope you guys had a good week. I had an okay week. Now, we're gonna have to get into some different kinds of, oh here, hang on. Still got that Mace blasting off that car. Well, we're gonna have to get into some other kinds of self-defense gadgets because I think we can only go so far with pepper spray. And I think it's good to carry more than just pepper spray, and it's good to know what else is out there. So this week we're gonna talk about tactical pens. And so these are some tactical pens. That one is very obvious and blatant and in your face. It's pretty cheap. It's a decent pen. I don't know what kind of ink it is or anything. The downside to that one is that we have an instinct to put our thumb on the back of our pokey stick, and so if we do that on there, it's not good news. So this one is less obvious and in your face. It's a lot more elegant. It looks just like a pen, really, but that's the glass breaker on the tip there, and I can't get it to focus, so you'll have to take my word for it. And it unscrews here, and the pen is under there, and that's also another nice pen. And the cap does not ride on the back nice. It wobbles. It's not good. But you'll see that has the nice backing for your thumb there. This is the pen protector. Now, in California, we're not allowed to have brass knuckles, and we're not allowed to have plastic brass knuckles, anything of composite, resin, anything. And if this wasn't a pen cap, a pen protector, this would probably be illegal here. I think as long as it's not marketed, if it's marketed as something that's meant to, the law says anything that will make a punch harder, basically, paraphrased. So I did some testing on this. We'll get to it, and yeah, we'll talk about some blah, 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 blah as I start to stutter. All right, part one. The tactical pen. It didn't bother me till later. I had a little bit of soreness on the back of my thumb, and then I put a bunch of hockey tape on there after that. Okay, so that was part one. Part two. Where is it? There it is. I don't know. It takes practice. All right, part three. Part three? Wait, we're still on part two. Sorry. Oh, God. Hang on. So I came back. To try again. I hadn't practiced much before filming it. We all need to practice, you know. Especially when it comes to like primitive kind of stuff like this. Yeah, I mean, if we're gonna do primitive kind of stuff like that, then it's, yeah, is that it? No. Then there was the plastic here. This, I'm sorry. This is the worst episode ever. Here, let's try this one. Is this it? Yeah, I think this is it. Here. The pen protector. We'll talk more about this. Okay, that hurt. The clip, the pocket clip dug into the palm of my hand. And couldn't really tell where I mean, it rippled it in a little more. The nice thing about brass knuckles or plastic knuckles, or what do they call them? Knuckle dusters. All right, that's enough of the filming. Oh, nope. That didn't work out too well either. Let's talk more about that. All right, didn't do well. Didn't do great on the filming. Okay, so the stabbing motion of that, it bends a little, it flexes a little. So it takes a lot of practice, I think. I'm not sure. Just like anything else. And see that clip there? It dug into the palm of my hand. Now, the nice thing about a brass knuckle or a knuckle duster or something like this is to make a proper fist takes a lot of training and practice, and it does. And if you don't do it properly, that knuckle sticks out and it's vulnerable. So that's what I like about this, is it protects that knuckle, and it also gives it some strength. Unfortunately, that dug into my thing a little bit. So really, the tactical pen, I think, passed this test a little better. I'll have to do more practicing with it. So yeah, that's tactical pens. So maybe if I get enough subscribers, we'll get one of these. Huh? What do you think? You guys help me get a bunch of subscribers, make a lot of money. We'll get one of these, and we'll find somebody to test it out on. That would be crazy. So that's the mobile pepper spray defense system. Yeah, that would be fun. Well, guys, try not to blast our ears out this time. All right. Well, I'll work on some more air gun videos. I got some more stuff happening behind the scenes. And thanks for watching. Pistol form is better. Pistol form is better. Comes in black. Comes in black. That's Saber. Saber. Highly recommended by Pepper Spray Saturday. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.